Hi guys, I'm Kalila Reynolds and we're back with Money Moves brought to you in partnership with Exim Bank's Business Advisory Service. This week we're looking at intellectual property and we're joined by Lily Claire Bellamy. She's the Executive Director of the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, JIPO. Welcome, Lily Claire.
Hi, Kalilia.
Good to have you on.
Thank you.
All right, so let's jump right in. Tell me, what sort of things can businesses actually trademark?
Okay, well, you can trademark your name. If you have a distinctive name or a logo, it's important for you to actually come in and protect it. We're looking at the Exim Bank, which offers services to persons who are in the tourism industry, any form of export, and also agriculture to a lesser extent, because they help coffee farmers, for example, and persons who are producers of coffee. So you could protect the name of your brand of coffee, for example, and your businesses, you could protect the name of your business. The only thing that persons need to remember is if your name is descriptive, then that's going to prove a problem. So for example, if you are a producer of water and beverages, we wouldn't encourage you to call your product water, whatever, W-A-T-E-R. So you're selling water and you're describing it as water. Then what you have done, because with a trademark, you get the exclusive use to whatever you have trademarked in the jurisdiction. So if you protect water, W-A-T-E-R, for drinking water in Jamaica, no one else could use water. Exactly.
But that's what it's called. So you want to have something that's more unique.
Exactly. So something that's distinctive. So you have, for example, I don't really want to give anybody free advertisement, but persons who sell beverages in Jamaica, they have really unique and different names for them. So you will go into a store and you will request the name of that product. So if you can think of some well-known Jamaican trademarks that would come to mind, perhaps people don't realize it's a trademark. They think, oh, that's just the name of the product. But sometimes you want to buy corned beef or tuna or herring.
So don't name your product corned beef.
No, but then we go in the store and we know that there's one brand that we're always interested in. So whether we're buying corned beef or we're buying cornmeal or sugar, we go for that brand. That is your trademark. That is what people associate you with. So whenever we want a product, you'll say to the child, okay, or whoever is going to the supermarket, make sure you get that brand. So you associate that brand with quality. So you always purchase that brand. So if they come out with a new product, you'll go for that brand. So you need a name that's timeless, something that will last forever. And your trademark is important because this is what people associate you with. So if you have an existing trademark and it has a bad reputation, you're going to have to spend time to develop the goodwill, or you could change and get a new trademark.
Right, to change that brand. What's the difference between trademark and copyright?
Okay, a trademark is something that you use to sell your products or whatever. A copyright deals specifically with creations, tend to be more focused artistic creation. So for example, if you write a book or you write a poem or you design, you're an architect and you do a design for a building, or you're a sculptor and you produce a piece, or you take a photograph of someone, all of those are examples of copyright and they automatically come into existence without you doing anything. Once it is in a tangible format, the copyright automatically comes into place. The difference is with a trademark, with a registered trademark, you have to make an application for that trademark. Your trademark protection is limited to whichever jurisdiction you protect it in. With copyright, there are a number of specified countries under the Berne Convention where your copyright is automatically recognized and protected. That's not the same with your trademark. With your trademark, if you are going to be selling your service or your goods in, let's say, the United States of America, you'd have to take steps to protect your trademark in that jurisdiction, and you protect it also in Jamaica. Wherever you're going to use your product, you need to protect it there.
All right, thanks Lily Claire so much. A lot of information to go through, and we're going to have you back on to explain some more about trademarks and copyrights. That's it for this edition of Money Moves, brought to you in partnership with Exim Bank's Business Advisory Service. And you can check out their website, eximbankja.com. I'm Kalila Reynolds. Until next week.